Many men have tried and failed. For the last decade, my father has failed as well. Today I shall do the impossible. Today, I'll be showing you how to make a black and tan.
Kevin, what are we doing today?
We're making a black and tan, and we're gonna start with our stout made by Guinness and our pale ale by Schminnix. We're about to get this bad boy started.
You do any research on this?
Nope.
Fair enough.
Looking pretty good.
I'm not seeing the black and tan there.
Yeah, that looks like one color. I screwed up the order. I'm supposed to do pale ale first, then the stout. Do we have a spoon?
Maybe?
Well, we got our spoon. Let's give this another shot. What the hell? Yeah, you can kind of see a little bit of a separation.
Yeah.
Damn. I don't know what to do.
Packies?
Packies, yes.
Packies.
Packies! All right, we just got back from Packies. I'm gonna review the footage and see exactly how she did it. Okay, so she starts with the light beer. She's about to use the dark beer. Oh, she got the spoon. And she has the spoon higher up, and she puts the spoon right up to the tap, and then lets the beer settle. Seems pretty easy.
Okay, so what did we do wrong?
I have to bend the spoon.
Okay.
Ah! There we go. Oh my God. All right, let's give this baby a whirl. Oh no, it's spilling the other side. Ah! Ah! Damn it! Attempt number 4.
No, you can see it yeah.
It's down there, right?
Yeah, it's all the way down.
It's my technique.
Oh! What happens if you don't have the leverage?
We're gonna do this. We're gonna do this, Titans. Come on. We are Titans. All right. So it's day 2. We couldn't do it yesterday. We're gonna try again today. It's a brand new day. Let's get it going. Yes. Oh, I think it's it. Wow. I gotta show my dad. I gotta show him. Oh, Father! Father, is your son?
Hold on 1 second. Hold on.
I have a black and tan. Yep.
Where'd you go, Packies?
No, I made that.
You made this.
I made that. Yep.
Well, I hate
Enjoy.
to see it go to waste. It's good.
Thank you. I want to thank Packies for showing us how to make a black and tan. It wasn't easy. I can truly understand why so many people have so much difficulty making one. But hey, we got it done, and that's what matters most. We hope you enjoyed the video, and remember to drink responsibly.